What if one day you looked up at the night sky and saw a bright, fiery object streaking toward Earth? It's a scenario straight out of a sci-fi thriller, but for scientists, the threat of a comet or asteroid hitting our planet is a real and constant concern. Comets and asteroids, these celestial wanderers, hold secrets to the birth of our solar system, but they also remind us of its raw, uncontrollable power. What would happen if one of these cosmic visitors struck Earth? And more importantly, what are we doing to stop it? Asteroids are the rocky remnants of the early solar system, leftovers from the formation of planets. They orbit the sun in regions like the asteroid belt, but sometimes gravitational nudges send them hurtling toward Earth. Comets, on the other hand, are icy travelers, often from the distant Oort cloud, which light up spectacularly as they approach the sun. Both can be harmlessly beautiful, but history has shown us their destructive potential. The most infamous example? The asteroid impact 66 million years ago that wiped out the dinosaurs, leaving a scar on Earth's surface and in its evolutionary story. But don't panic yet. Modern science is working hard to prevent a repeat performance. The first step is understanding the risks. NASA and other space agencies keep a close eye on near-Earth objects, or NEOs, which are comets and asteroids that pass within 30 million miles of our planet. Using advanced telescopes and radar systems, scientists have cataloged thousands of these objects and are constantly monitoring their trajectories. The challenge? Even a small asteroid, just a few hundred feet wide, could cause catastrophic damage if it collided with a populated area. So, what happens if we detect an asteroid on a collision course with Earth? Enter the fascinating field of planetary defense. In recent years, humanity has moved from being passive observers to active defenders. One groundbreaking mission was NASA's DART, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, which successfully demonstrated that we can change the trajectory of an asteroid by slamming a spacecraft into it. Think of it like a cosmic game of billiards, but one where the stakes are the future of our planet. There are other strategies too, some straight from the realm of science fiction. One idea involves using gravity tractors, spacecraft designed to hover near an asteroid and gently nudge it off course with their gravitational pull. Another proposal suggests deploying laser arrays to vaporize parts of an asteroid's surface, creating a kind of rocket effect to steer it away. And if the situation is truly dire, some theorists have even discussed the possibility of using nuclear explosions as a last resort to break the object into smaller, less dangerous fragments. But planetary defense isn't just about deflecting asteroids, it's about understanding them. Missions like NASA's OSIRIS-REx and Japan's Hayabusa 2 have brought back samples from asteroids, revealing clues about their composition and structure. This knowledge is critical for designing effective mitigation strategies. After all, deflecting a solid metallic asteroid is a very different challenge from dealing with a loosely held together pile of rubble. The truth is, while a catastrophic impact is rare, it's not impossible. That's why collaboration is key. The world's space agencies are working together to share data, technology and strategies to ensure that if the day comes, we're ready. And while the threat might seem distant, every advancement in planetary defense brings us one step closer to ensuring the safety of our blue planet. Comets and asteroids may seem like distant cosmic wonders, but their potential to shape Earth's future is anything but abstract. By learning from the past and harnessing cutting-edge technology, humanity is proving that we're not just at the mercy of the universe. We're active participants in safeguarding our place within it. So the next time you see a shooting star, remember, it's not just a wish waiting to happen. It's a reminder of the extraordinary forces at play in our cosmic neighborhood and our growing ability to face them head-on.